11 update KB5089573 KB5092427. Not installing error 0x800F0845/0x80040154 6BE. 1. Restart your PC. Save all your work. Restart Windows 11. Log back into your account. Open Settings. Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Try installing the update again. Number 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings. Go to System Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update, click Run, apply any recommended fixes, restart your PC. 3. Check available disk space. Open File Explorer, select this PC, check free space on the C drive, free at least 20 gigabytes if possible. Retry the update installation. 4. Restart Windows Update Services. Press Windows R. Type services.msc, press Enter. Restart these services. Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS, Cryptographic Services, close services and retry the update. Now to 5. Clear Windows Update cache. Open Command Prompt Admin. Stop Update Services. Net stop UAserve. Net stop bits. Open C Windows Software Distribution. Delete all contents. Restart services. Net start UAserve. Net start bits. Check for updates again. 6. Repair system files using SFC. Open Command Prompt Admin. Run SFC/scanow. Wait for the scan to complete. Restart your PC. Retry the update. And measure 7. Repair Windows image using DSM. Open Command Prompt. Run DSM/online/cleanup image/restore health. Wait until the process finishes. Restart Windows. Try installing the update again. 8. Temporarily disable antivirus. Disable third-party antivirus software. Turn off real-time protection temporarily. Open Windows Update. Install KB5089573 or KB5092427. Re-enable antivirus afterward. Number 9. Perform a clean boot. Press Windows R. Type msconfig. Open Services. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable all. Restart your PC. Install the update. Re-enable services afterward. Number 10. Install the update manually. Open the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Search for KB5089573, KB5092427. Download the version matching your system. Run the downloaded installer. Restart your PC after installation. Shack bonus fix. If error 0x800706BE, 0x80040154, or 0x800845 continues, open Windows Terminal, Admin, run chkdsk/f, press Y when prompted, restart the PC, allow the disk scan to complete, retry Windows Update. These solutions can fix most KB5089573, KB5092427 installation failures caused by corrupted update files, damaged system components, Windows Update service issues, or insufficient disk space on Windows 11.